Welcome to Lesson 101 TLNI. This is 6B for week number 5. These are suggested recipes for appetizers. Okay, the first recipe that we have is the basic deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are a versatile snack. Everyone puts their own signature flavor of toppings to this wonderful standby. Here are the ingredients. So 12 hard-boiled eggs peeled, 1/4 cup light mayonnaise or salad dressing, 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters Dijon mustard. So there's an option if you don't have any mustard. So you can have it just a light mayonnaise, then put some flavorings. Then we have here the 1/4 teaspoon equivalent to 1.25 milliliters of salt, 1/4 teaspoon 1.25 milliliters of pepper, and a pinch of paprika, and that is optional. So it just adds flavor and coloring to our deviled eggs. So this is the basic instruction. Cut the egg in half lengthwise. Then you have to remove the egg yolks and place it in a medium bowl. Set the egg white aside. So you need to remove the egg yolks once it is being already boiled. Then after removing the egg yolk from the egg white, mash yolks with fork. Then add the mayonnaise. Then if you have the mustard, add some salt and pepper for flavor. Then right after that, spoon or pipe the yolk mixture into the egg white halves. So you need to return the mixture to the set aside egg whites. Then serve immediately or cover and store in refrigerator, and it can be served within 2 days. The next one is we have the dynamite lumpia or the dynamite roll. It is another kind of recipe which is very popular nowadays for its uniqueness kind of invention. Together with the long green pepper or the so-called siling haba that gives the recipe the spice and other exciting flavor because of the cheese and the ground beef inside. So if you don't have the ground beef, you can use the ground pork. So here are the ingredients. 20 chilies, okay, 20 spring roll wrappers, half kilo of ground beef or ground pork, or any kind of meat you want. Maybe you can use also the meat of the chicken. Okay, 140 grams of taco seasoning mix, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil for sauteing, 3 cups of vegetable oil for frying, cheddar cheese cut into strips, salt and pepper to taste. So for the cooking instruction, so you need to heat the oil in pan, saute the onion and garlic, add ground beef and taco seasoning, season with salt and pepper to taste. So you need to cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes and you need to set aside. Step number 4, wash the chilies, cut them in lengthwise, creating a slit from the cap of the chili and near the tip. So remove the insides of the chili, the seeds. It looks quite presentable if you don't cut the stalk. Stuff each chili with your cooked ground beef, pork, or any meat you desired, and a strip of cheese. Wrap the stuffed chilies with lumpia wrapper as you would a spring roll or a Shanghai roll. Then lastly, deep fry chili rolls in a medium heat in a cooking pan for around 5 to 8 minutes or until the wraps turn into a golden brown, then serve hot. So it is advisable that you can also add a dip. It is a combination of mayonnaise and ketchup. So this is the Filipino style cheesy bacon bombs for our third recipe. What are the ingredients? Okay, you need a 1,200 grams of honey cured bacon sliced or any brand you desired, a mozzarella cheese cut into 1-inch cube. So if you don't have any mozzarella cheese, you can use the normal cheese that we used to buy in the supermarket. Okay, a pack of lumpia wrapper, toothpick, canola oil for frying, or any oil you desire. So here are the procedure. Okay, cut the mozzarella cheese into cubes. Place the cube cheese inside the lumpia wrapper, then wrap it tightly. Then get a slice of bacon, then wrap each cheesy bomb and using a toothpick to secure the sides. In a large frying pan, turn on the heat and fry each cheesy bacon bomb in small batches. Okay, recommended time is 1 to 2 minutes for frying. Then remove and place them on a paper towels to drain the oil. So here are the suggested recipes for your presentation: the deviled eggs, the dynamite roll, and the cheesy bacon bombs. Thanks for watching.